Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this program we are going to find the we are actually this is not a program. We are going to see the dictionary comprehension here in Python. So earlier we just saw the concept of list comprehension, right? Let's just move towards the dictionary comprehension now. So we are having the logic same as similar to list, but here the thing is that we would be talking about the dictionary concept here. So it's a shortcut way to build a dictionary from an iterable or using a single line of code. So same thing, but here we would be just building out a dictionary within the single line of code, just like as I have told you list comprehension. Okay, but here we would be having the only difference would be the key value pairs. Okay, so you can see the syntax that we can give the key value for an item in iterable. So you can just give the value for loop within the okay, iterable, you know, that sequence, right? So for item in sequence you can give the value and key. Okay, let me take towards the Visual Studio Code. Here I am just going to get the square of the numbers, okay, in the dictionary form. How can I just get that? Okay, if I'll just write a comment here, the square of numbers. So here simply I'm going to get a variable here with the name of squares, which is going to have the x, which is going to get the square for x in range 1 comma, okay, let's say I want up till 5, so I'll give 6. Okay, simply you can see here how beautifully the logic works out for dictionary comprehension as well. So let's just try to get the answer. What is happening here? We are getting some error. Let's just check it out. Because the braces are wrong, we know that curly braces are used out for dictionary. You can just edit it out. So if I'll just try to run, we just got the dictionary for 1 1 2, we are getting out square of 2 4, 3 we are getting square 9, 4 16, so on. What happened? No, we have given out x within the range, that means 1 2 3 4 5, x will be as it is. Okay, with the column we have specified out the value that you need to perform the product of that number only. I mean, you need to just multiply out with like you need to make the power of a square. Okay, this is how we can just perform, and we have simply given the for loop just to traverse out throughout the range, right? So this is how you can just perform the dictionary comprehension and try to get the square of the numbers. I hope guys this is going to be a useful short video for the dictionary comprehension. Thank you so much.